The driving experience. Driving a luxury sports car is a thrilling experience that is unmatched by most other vehicles. One of the standout features of luxury sports cars is the instant torque provided by the engine. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered cars, these vehicles offer instant acceleration the moment you press the gas pedal. Precision handling. Luxury sports cars are engineered for responsive steering and exceptional handling, ensuring the car feels connected to the road. Dynamic suspension systems adjust to road conditions, maintaining a smooth ride while delivering precise control. Exhilarating speed. The raw power of these cars delivers an adrenaline-pumping ride. With top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour in some models, luxury sports cars are built for those who crave excitement behind the wheel, comfort and luxury. Despite their performance focus, luxury sports cars are designed to be comfortable. Advanced climate control, heated seats, and premium sound systems ensure a luxurious driving experience even during high-speed drives. The future of luxury sports cars is bright, with continuous advancements in technology, performance, and sustainability. Here's what's coming next. 1. Electric and hybrid sports cars. With the shift toward electric mobility, luxury sports car manufacturers are introducing electric sports cars that offer the same level of performance, but with zero emissions. Cars like the Porsche Taycan and Ferrari SF90 Stradale are leading the way. 2. Autonomous driving. Self-driving technology is slowly making its way into sports cars. In the future, luxury sports cars may come with autonomous driving features, allowing drivers to relax while the car takes over. 3. Advanced materials. The use of lightweight, high-strength materials like carbon fiber and aluminum will continue to improve performance by reducing the weight of the vehicle. This will help improve acceleration, fuel efficiency, and handling. 4. Enhanced connectivity. Luxury sports cars will become more connected in the future, integrating with smart devices, wearable tech, and autonomous driving systems to create an even more seamless and futuristic driving experience. References. 1. Ferrari 488 GTB, Unleashing Performance, Ferrari.com. 2. Lamborghini Aventador, Pure Power and Precision, Lamborghini.com. 3. McLaren 720S, The Ultimate Driving Machine, McLaren.com. هل تحبي المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الكهربائية الفاخرة أو التكنولوجيا في السيارات؟ تمام يا نجوى، ودي مقالة جديدة عن السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة، محتوى مخصص لإنتاج فيديو مدته 10 دقائق بواسطة InVideo AI. عنوان المقال